This video is going to give you important information on how to participate in your online class. Watch all the videos and then go to the Dropboxes tab and answer the questions that are based on these videos. Welcome to your Anaheim Union High School District online class. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to navigate your online class and how to use the features of our learning management system, Haiku. After you log in, the first thing you're going to see are the announcements by your teacher. You always want to read the announcement, so begin by reading the announcement because your teacher is going to have specific instructions for you. You're going to notice on the left side of the page that there are 4 tabs. There's the announcement tab, there's a weekly tab, there's a help discussion, and course resources. We're going to look at each one of these tabs. The first one, we're on the announcements tab right now. We'll go to week 1 in a minute. First, I want to show you what's in the help discussion. So the help discussion, which you're going to look at in one of your assignments coming next, the scavenger hunt, is a discussion that's just student to student, and that's where you will ask other students questions concerning assignments. Make sure that all posts are appropriate. I look at this periodically, and administrators typically look at these posts periodically also. The next tab that you'll see here on the left are the course resources section. This tab is important because there are many resources in here that you're going to need for your class. You're going to see your curriculum letter from your teacher. You're going to see software. All these are free softwares that need to be downloaded if you don't have them for the class. OpenOffice you'll only need to download if you don't have Microsoft Word or Excel or PowerPoint on your computer, but you can open it. There's a free program called OpenOffice that you can download. The rest of these are players that you'll be able to use. So you've got many resources, and those will be unique to your individual class. So be sure to keep this in mind and look at the course resource section. We're going to go back now and look at week 1. You notice that by week 1 there's a plus sign, and that means that there are some sub-tabs under week 1. So I'm going to click week 1, and you'll notice that when I do, the 2 other sub-tabs appear, the Dropboxes tab and the Discussions tab. The weekly tab gives you instructions and all your resources and everything you need to complete your assignments. The Dropboxes tab is where you will turn in your assignments, take quizzes and tests, and complete a learning journal, which I'll go over in a minute. The Discussions tab is where you're going to participate in discussions with other students during your course. So I'm going to click back to the week 1 tab because we always want to start there. When you begin your class, you always want to read the announcements and then go right to your week 1 tab. The week 1 tab again has all the assignments that you're going to complete during the week, along with all the resources you're going to need to complete those assignments. On the first page of this tutorial is a list of each of the assignments along with the points for the assignments and when that assignment will be due. The first number, each of the assignments is numbered. The first number is the week, and the second number is the assignment number. So you'll notice here that we have assignment 1.1. I can access the instructions for that assignment either by clicking on to the assignment itself, or I can navigate through the pages. Up here at the top of the tutorial, you'll see some page numbers, and I can click those page numbers to go through the tutorial. So if ever one of these links doesn't work, you can always click the page number and move through the tutorial. But I'm going to click 1.1 Learning Journal. This is worth 25 points. And when I go over to the page on Learning Journal, notice that it gives me the title, 1.1 Learning Journal. There's a handout. It gives me the points and the objectives. Gives me an overview of the assignment, and then it gives me some detailed instructions about this assignment. It gives me a sample here of part of the assignment and then how the assignment will be graded. So what this assignment says is that on Monday, or the first day of the school week, you're going to complete a calendar. In order to complete this calendar, you're going to need to go back to the table that's on the first page of the tutorial, and you're going to look at the list of assignments and put each assignment in the calendar. Your completed calendar will look something like this. Notice that every school day you're going to post to your Learning Journal, and then on Monday you're going to add the calendar, and at the end of the week you're going to complete a weekly reflection. The assignments are due at midnight on Sunday, so you can do them as you want during the week, depending on your schedule. If you have noticed that this student has a club meeting on Wednesday, so they're not doing any assignments except for the Learning Journal, which they're going to post. We're going to look now at how to submit the calendar in the Learning Journal and how to post to your Learning Journal every day. You've completed video number 1. Now you will proceed to video number 2.